Hi, my name is Steve Herman, and I'm the author of Mediumship Mastery, the Ultimate Guide. This is my book on mediumship development and mediumship training, which is available on Amazon. And if you're interested in mediumship development, smack that subscribe button below and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Why? Because I try to put out at least one new video on mediumship mastery each week, because I'm really into the teaching aspect, and I'm into sharing. And I'm into helping people out there, whether you're a novice or somebody who's been into this for years. I'm into helping you become a better vehicle for the spirits to work through. And I want to just briefly talk in this video about how people oftentimes are attracted to phenomena. People want to experience manifestations from the spirit world. Are you interested in that? Who isn't interested in that? Many times when someone initially gets into mediumship, well, they really want to receive spirit messages, or they really want to listen to channeled higher teachings from higher spirit teachers, or they want to see the physical mediumship and the phenomena. And there are places where you can go and experience physical phenomena. There's genuine phenomena, and you will experience it. The medium will levitate. Objects will levitate. Ectoplasm will come out of the orifices of the medium, and you will be able to see the materialization of spirit personalities with your physical eyes. You will be able to hear the spirit speak with your physical ears, and you will be able to feel the touch of departed loved ones when we have genuine physical mediumship. So that's fantastic. Any doubting Thomas, when the doubting Thomas touches the hem of the Master's garment, the doubting Thomas's mind is completely transformed into that of not just a believer, but an individual possessing full conviction. So, in that sense, phenomena is a good thing. But what I've observed over the years of my involvement, of decades of involvement within spiritualism, studying mediumship, working professionally and teaching mediumship worldwide, so many people get into it, and it's just like fireworks. I remember when I was little, whenever I got hold of any fireworks, especially around the 4th of July in the States, it was so much fun to blow them up. I mean, I loved going to the fireworks too, when you had public displays of fireworks. See all the explosions, all the colors. So people are drawn to this. It's momentary, and then afterwards they forget about it. They go do something else. Phenomena is the same type of thing. Unfortunately. I mean, it really should be something, as with Thomas, that transforms our minds and our hearts. But we can see within the history of the spiritualist movement just how phenomena oftentimes cheapened the deeper philosophical implications of what was being presented by the higher spirits to really reach people, to bring enlightenment to people, to change people's minds and hearts and enhance their morality, enhance their ethics, expand and really strengthen our conviction in God, in our spirituality on a personal level. So phenomena, unless it does that, it's really, really not that important. More important to work on yourself. Now, in my own experience, phenomena happens. And oftentimes, the manifestations take place when you're sitting in a group and you're not even expecting it to happen. You're not even hoping it will happen. But the energy's right. The chemistry is conducive for creating these types of manifestations. And the spirit chemists and the spirit specialists that work with us mediumistically will make these things happen. But we see a lot of people holding seances, and it's all done in the dark, and no one questions that at all. They can produce phenomena in the light. They can produce phenomena in dim lighting. If it's very, 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 very dark, unless it's really, very, 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 very strict, very, very, very disciplined and controlled conditions, you just need to be very, very, very weary of being in that type of situation. You can play really, really loud music. The medium can move around. They touch you on the shoulder. They touch you on the top of the head. It's a materialized spirit. No, it's probably not. It's probably the medium walking around, which is why you need to kick your foot out. Actually, I mean, if you just place in the seance room lots of plants all over the place, plants and vases of flowers, things like this, anyone walking around won't be able to do it. You just put glow-in-the-dark material on the medium, and that will prevent anyone from walking around. And interesting enough, this one medium once in this one seance, very prominent medium, was going to do a trumpet seance, and it was suggested, well, why don't you put some glow-in-the-dark tape on the trumpet so that way we can see where the trumpet is when it's moving around. And the medium said, well, that will make me go out of trance. I won't be able to go into trance. Some excuse like this. And people didn't even question the medium. And of course, all sorts of phenomena took place in the seance, all in the dark. Question mediums. Question what's going on. And phenomena is great, but ultimately, don't get stuck in just seeking phenomena out, because that's not really what the purpose of mediumship is about. Even receiving spirit messages, as wonderful as it is, it's operating on a much deeper level. Mediumship is not superficial. The whole purpose of mediumship is to get us in touch with ourselves and also to help us to get in touch with God. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please add your comments below, and God bless each and every one of you.